Hello, students of Standard 9. Once again, I am here with your Economics Chapter 1, A Village in Palampur. So, up till now, we have studied about the factors of production. Today, we are going to take the next topic, farming in Palampur. So, farming is the main production activity in Palampur. 75% of the total people of Palampur depend on farming, that is cultivation. But there is a basic problem. Constraint means problem in raising farm production because land in Palampur is fixed. Land in Palampur is fixed. Since 1960, in Palampur there has been no expansion in land area under cultivation. Means land has not means more land. There is no more land in Palampur where more cultivation could be done. Some of the wasteland in the village had been converted to cultivable land. Wasteland also, wherever there were wasteland, it has been used for cultivation. It has been made used for cultivation. And there are no other scope for increasing the production. But the main activity is farming activity, either directly cultivation or any farm related to work. The next question arises, is there a way one can grow more from the same land? Suppose you own a land. Can you grow more from the same piece of land? If yes, how? In the kind of crops grown and the facilities available, Palampur is a best place for cultivation. 4 different types of crops are grown. 3 different types of, sorry. One, during the summer season, kharif crops. In this season, farmer grows jowar and bajra, which are used for cattle feeding. Then it comes winter season where rabi crops are grown. Fields rabi crops, especially wheat, which is the main staple food for the villagers of Palampur. They grow maximum wheat for their family, and the surplus wheat is being sold to the nearby big village Raiganj, I think you remember, and the town nearby Sahpur. So other during these two seasons, between these two seasons, other crops are also grown like sugar cane. From sugar cane, jaggery, good, is being produced. So these are the the question arises: what are the main reason why farmers are able to grow more than 2 or 3 different crops in a year? This is a very important question. Why farmers of Palampur were able to grow more than 3 different crops in a year due to the well developed system of irrigation. Main reason is there are 3 reasons. One of that is well developed system of irrigation. Why? How is it possible? Because electricity came early to Palampur. Electricity came very early to Palampur. Its major impact was the transformation or the system of irrigation. Previously, Persian wheel were used for watering the plants. Now, tube wells through electricity, which can irrigate larger area in a short period of time very effectively. See, there is one word called multiple cropping. To grow more than one crop on a piece of land during the year is known as multiple cropping. It is the most common way of increasing production on a given piece of land. So multiple cropping system is also there in Palampur. All farmers in Palampur grow at least two or more than two crops. That is called multiple cropping system. Another way of increasing production from the same piece of land is using HYB seeds and other modern facilities of cultivation. Modern processes, modern method for higher yield, that is HYB seeds, fertilizers, etc. So these are the different ways by which Palampur was able to grow more than two crops. And this is the answer of that very important questions. Although land is a fixed capital, you cannot increase the places of cultivation, but from the same land you can grow more than two to three crops. How? Proper irrigation facilities, multiple cropping using high yielding varieties of seed. In the next video, we will go through another topic. How is land being distributed between the farmers in Palampur? This is very important one. And we will also go through how the land sustain the people over there. So wait for my next video.